Starting to finish, see? Little cups. Then rice and then porpetas. Right. So currently we're gonna use this one, easy. I love it. The secret for making rice is, I don't know if you have a secret, but sometimes people have no idea how to make it. So this is a Brazilian style rice in a way. What we're gonna do is, you can use always for 1 measure of rice, 2 measures of water. So it's gonna be, we're gonna put 2.5 cups of rice. And then you're gonna be 3 cups of water, right? Sometimes people say you can put hot water, but I put normal water, tap water. So it's gonna be 3. 3. Salt, can you put how as much salt as you want, but of course you need to be careful. I'm gonna close and wait. In the meantime, I'm gonna just for some to make porpeta. Nice porpeta. I'm gonna use 1 onion. Like this. Gonna put it here inside. To make a porpeta, you're gonna use some fire bread. You're gonna put some paprika, parsley, salt, and of course garlic, black pepper. Yay! So, porpeta is Italian, right? And the rice I make here is a Brazilian style rice that we can eat in Brazil all the time. So basically, we eat rice and beans every day. So that's normal food. If you are in Brazil, you know very well. If you have been in Brazil, you know rice and beans is something you have 2 times a day, lunchtime, dinner time. So basically every day, 2 times a day. It is really good. So rice is boiling. Look at that. Rice is quite quick to make it. So now leave to dry the water. So nearly there. The meat just defrosted. Oh, done. So we have one onion here inside. I'm gonna put the meat here. Gonna have 2 eggs. Garlic. Salt. Half bread. Some paprika. Little bit black pepper. Little bit parsley. Now, hands. Need to mix this all together. You're gonna need to put more bread here. It should be more consistent. So you need to mix it very well. Then you see it's gonna be more incorporated all together. And also I'm gonna put a little bit more bread. I think it'll be good. And for my taste is very good. Let's see if you need more salt or need anything else. Just start to prepare. So I'm gonna turn here now and put some olive oil to fry this. Looks nice. So I'm gonna use Bolonhesa sauce. A little bit. It's too big, but it's okay. What I need right now. Nice, easy. Just rice, beef meat, 1 onion, 2 eggs, a half dried bread, and garlic, salt, parsley, and this paprika. And add some green stuff on top of here. Could be more. Really nice. puxa uns trem verdes pra cima. Dá um queijinho assim, ó. Close a little bit. Wow, this is it. Have a look. How beautiful it is. Don't know if you can see, but I'm pretty sure you can see this. I'm gonna make a plate for me and then go to with this rice. Have a look, the rice here. Wow. And then I'm gonna pick one of this boys here. Look at that. Don't know if you like it or not, but I love it. Here they are. Show you how this porpeta gonna be. My God, I'm good. Simple and easy. 25 minutes start to finish. Right? Here they are. Enjoy, guys.